Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about burger price prediction. So this is not a food, this is a cryptocurrency burger. So this is requested by my subscriber burger per USDT. I'm gonna use this pair for it. The all-time high is at $29 and right now it's only at 3.921 US dollar. Is it gonna be go back going up? I think it should be takes time, like 6 months until 1 year, right? RSI stochastic still under really natural position. If you hold that the price is gonna be 29 on this year, I think it's a little bit hard. For a Bollinger Band here, we're gonna go zoom in here is between the lower band 3.768 until 4.12 US dollar. So for a trading swing, then you can entry on the 3.6 and then you can take in profit slightly on the 4.48. Okay, next move is we're gonna go to the 4-hour chart. You're gonna see on the 4-hour chart moving average here is trying to find a way, and this is having a cross between the moving average 7 and the moving average 25 on the 3.9. Try to go up, go to the purple one here, moving average 99 4.132. Next one is we're gonna go to the daily chart. Basically go to the yellow one, moving average 7 3.953 US dollar. If they can go up, the next move is at the pink one side here, moving average 25 4.17 US dollar. For trading swing, then you can take in profit slightly on the 4.44 and entry the market 3.5 and the 3.6. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question, just let me know. Put your comment.